Hi there. Barbara and I were just arriving at Fort Jefferson, and we got there on March 5th. It was a 2.5-hour boat ride to get out there, but it was amazing, so worth it. We did sign up for the 15-minute tour, did that fairly quickly, and then thought we needed to learn a bit more. So we went through the fort, and these are 8-foot walls, pretty amazing. It was a fort designed to keep the pirate ships away from the southern U.S. coast. And it went through the Army, then the Navy, and then during the Civil War, it actually became a prison where they sent the deserters there. But there was a problem. There was no fresh water, and that's the reason for the word dry in Dry Tortuga. There were plenty of turtles there for the ships for people to eat, but there wasn't any fresh water, so they had to use rainwater only. And the day we were there, it was beautiful, very windy. We went up to the top floor, looked out at the beautiful turquoise waters, and then after a bit, we decided to head to the beach. We didn't bring our snorkel gear because they thought it was so windy it would stir up the water, even though it turned out to be pretty clear and clean. But we had a great time and saw the coral reefs. Those are the dark colors, water showing there, and the turquoise is where the sand is. So enjoy the trip, and we will see you on the next one.
Coral reefs that are in the water. Just amazing. Looks like a storm cloud. Hi there.
Hi,
It's Joanne and Barb.
from Dry Tortuga and Fort Jefferson, Florida. Awesome.
Yeah, and we didn't bring our snorkel gear. We thought the water would be too murky from the wind. It is windy and this is blowing around a bit, but the water is a beautiful turquoise. So, oopsie.
But it's still wonderful to have your feet in the water.
Yes, it feels beautiful. See you on the next trip.
Bye.
Shoot, I don't know if I was filming all of that. I think I turned it off. Whoa. We are doing the Rocky roller coaster ride back from Dry Tortuga. And boy, is it rocky. Whoa, whoa. Oh my gosh. Washing the windows with salt water. Whoa, that was a huge wave.